Hey Mambos, this is Mao with Monkey on My Back Outdoors. I'm here to do an unbagging of my Clam C720. Don't mind that, that's my dog. So I'm gonna do an unbagging of the C720. It is a 6 foot by 12 foot, 72 square feet, 600 denier fabric hub. So here it is. I haven't opened it yet. I got rid of the box and I'm gonna do a little bit of an unbagging for you. So first we're gonna start with a bag here. And let's see how many steaks it comes with. So it can come in here. So this comes with a bunch of tie lines for your sides and 6 steaks for your corners. So here's that. Put this back. And then, as usual, Clam gives you a nice bag with plenty of space for you to tuck it back in once you're done with the unit. So let's open it up. So there's a nice tie line here. Let's pull it out. Undo the strap. So they give you a nice strap with plenty of extra line here so you can get it together once you get off the ice and it's kind of frozen. So loosen this up. So the C720 is a double hub. Originally purchased this so that I could kind of do some ice camping, but I got another larger unit to try out this year too. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. So here's the nice handles for you to pull here. What I do is I usually step on the skirt a little, not too high, reach in. All right, so I'm gonna go inside now. I'm gonna pop at the top. As you can see, we have a double hub, 6 by 12 feet. You follow me. 72 square feet. Looks pretty good. So come on the inside. So my dog Kira wants to come in here with me. So if you come in here, you can see there's plenty of room. The goal is to get 2 cots side by side. It's gonna be a little tight, but it'll be side by side, and then you're gonna fish on one end while you sleep on the other. So it's got the nice clips here for you to hang your hats, gloves, jackets. I usually stuff my parka up here sometimes. They'll hold that. And this is the first time I'm putting this together, so I gotta clip this. There's another one on the other side. There's all these pockets here. So there's 4 pockets for your gear. The stakes go on the inside here. Is how Clam likes to design theirs. So this will disconnect. Your stake will go on it. You drill it in, adjust your length, clip it, cinch it up to whatever you need. So this is it. Clam C720. You guys stop by Scheels, your retailer, and check it out. It's pretty well done. It's got these little baggies here for your guy lines that come out this way. So, C720,